Welcome to another Village Talk with Baba Okello. Now, this morning I saw one of our local women. They were outside putting their laundry outside. And guess what happened? The rain come and ruin everything. Now, why? Why does the rain come when you wash your clothes? Now, I tell you, it's because rain is jealous. When it sees your clothes shining, clean, the rain says, this one is showing off. So it comes to teach humility. If you want to avoid the lesson of humility from the rain, hang your clothes in secret. This is the truth.